Making the front bed, first we remove the cushions from behind the driver's cab seat. We slide out the bed box behind the driver's cab seat and fold over the flap. We take the bed slats from the bed box behind the passenger cab seat and fit them in place, ensuring the peg is located on the travel seats. We refit the cushions in place as so. We remove the cushions from the side bench behind the passenger cab seat. We lift the bed box and fold out the leg. We then pull the bed frame across to meet the other side, ensuring the leg is folded down for support. We refit the cushions. We then use the infill cushion near the wall to fill the gap. Bed completed. Cushions can be turned over if required.